Hey guys, since 2002 we have built a reputation of being one of the top HVAC companies in the Birmingham area, and we have done so by providing the highest quality of service and repairs. We service all makes and models of air conditioners, furnaces, heat pumps, and package units. One thing that sets us apart from our competition is that we have technicians available around the clock to answer your calls and address your needs. So if you have any trouble whatsoever, call us anytime, day or night, and yes, even on holidays.